Hi y'all, it's your girl JJC and welcome to my channel. Welcome to my world. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do the dancehall move Cha Bwoy. The song is by Ding Dong and it's fun and it's smooth and it's, you know, it's a real good one. So if you're interested in that, definitely stick around. So, what I want you to first know is this coordination without anything else. This right arm, left foot, left arm, right foot. Okay, and then you can point your toes to kind of help you to transition when we're actually kind of jumping to it. Okay, so practice this part. Okay. This move is going to have some levels to it. So at first you're going to be standing upright. And then for the last part of the move, you're going to be crouching down. Okay? So you're going to start here, up. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's 4. Then you're going to crouch down. And you're going to do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the little bit tricky part is that the whole time you're kind of like hopping while you're doing the foot. So you're kind of like light on your feet and you're tapping with your toe. So the right arm reaches over and boom, boom. If you can see what I'm doing here. Okay? So before I was doing it just set in place and just putting my foot out, but the actual move is that you're actually kind of jumping and you're leaning back to it. Boom. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So it may seem a little bit complicated, but you can rewind as much times as you need and go over the moves again. And there you have you guys, you just learned how to do the Cha Bwoy. So have fun, keep practicing, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And until the next one, I'll see you on the next one. I'll see you on the next one. It's your girl JJC, represjjc.com. Toodles!